Damage of culverts adds connectivity woes of villagers inside Chokhihola. Good morning, you're watching Karbi Anglong Live with your host Jirbon Kilingpi. And now let's hear the news in detail. Lack of good roads continues to be the biggest problem and major factor for the continued backwardness of Nilip constituency. Years of neglect by successive parties in government, including the present government, have led to the present condition of the area. And the damage of culverts on the road connecting Singnot Terang village has added to the sufferings and hardship of the villagers who are still deprived of good road and other basic infrastructure. According to the locals, the last developmental scheme implemented in the area was National Rural Employment Program schemes, and that was more than 15 years back, and after that no developmental works or schemes was carried out in this village. The importance of this road and area lies in the fact that this is the road that connects Dholajan with Chokhihola Block Office and Chokhihola BPHC and to the district's main headquarters, Diphu. Locals told Karbi Anglong Live that when Chandrakanta Terang was the MAC from Nilip constituency, around 2 to 3 kilometers of footpath was constructed in 1988 as per the demand of the people of the area, and since then, no road was constructed in the area. And the culverts which were laid during that time have suffered extreme damage due to yearly rain and floods. Meanwhile, Singnot Terang village headman told Karbi Anglong Live that their village is very old village but they are still deprived of roads, drinking water and electricity, due to which the area continue to remain backward in all spheres of life. Following this, people of the village have urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council led by CM Tuliram Ronghang, local MLA Dr. Numal Momin and local MSC Pobitro Rongpi to take up their genuine issues and take measures to end the decades-long problems at the earliest possible time.
Lam jetan the aprang si nalitum media tum dak nilitum Singnot Terang rong an nang humri na palit he kapot nalitum anasai ke ong penseta dak Singnot Terang rong kisung labang solam chinia phan nalitum media tum wang pen la so ke wang the kapot na to phan suri akachuro kadom pajero kadom
la si ni tum Dhola lang so long lang so to wara jo ni pen la so okay yun na lang kisip sa ga jo ni ke la pen la so to war ta aprang Chandrukan dak nili bahawar MEC nang manahut 1988 an ingkan lawang so husi ni tum footpath hang dun sila so to war khulilo footpath hang dun sila so to war khulilo dang itu lah dal kwa li pen hu tirona rong keciling alian di papladam lah soda kilometer ini sap komca setami aja no komca seta itu langsung ningkan ini tu footpath ko ni lo la pen ke api la so pen 93 94 long aku inari pinang kom lo lasi inari pinang kom lo anke la suatu wara ajam mabangke ingkoi rapli arpan ajam nang pedosi lasunang sarvi lo jalo lasi la suatu war piplengi mapu kita pipleng pledalu pinian ni ta.
Sanjit Crow's report from Chokhihola for Karbi Anglong Live. In spite of the district administration issuing strict orders to follow the SOP imposed by the state government to prevent the spread of COVID virus in Balisang area of Biswanath district, some people were still not complying with the orders and preventive guidelines. Here is a report from our correspondent. Balisang Center is the most important market area in the locality. As per the latest orders issued by the government of Assam, all shops and establishments are to be closed by 11 am and movement of public is restricted from 12 noon. The Biswanath Deputy Commissioner had already made the orders known to the people of Balisang area and urged the shopkeepers to follow the administration's orders. However, several shops and vendors were still seen operating even after 12 noon when the curfew was already imposed. Apart from that, many people were not wearing facial masks and there was no following of physical distancing. The Balisang police station, which is located close to the market, had not taken steps to make people follow the SOP. It may be mentioned that Balisang had already seen people from the locality dying of COVID, and the number of cases is rising every passing day. Despite that, the people violating SOPs have become a matter of great concern as it may lead to the virus spreading at a faster rate. Chandra Singh Rongpi's report from Biswanath for Karbi Anglong Live. Eminent cultural and literary activist Bura Singh Taro breathed his last on the morning of May 23. He was the founder secretary of the Tekelangjun KCS Zonal Committee and had always been a guide to the young cultural activist. Bura Singh Taro was resident of Hori Taro village in Dongmuka. Apart from being the founder of the Tekelangjun KCS Zonal Committee, he also served as a vice president of KCS Central Committee. His demise had left everyone shocked and shattered. KACM Lunsing Teron and Karbi Film Society President Dhoniram Tiso visited Bura Singh Taro's house to pay their last respect to the veteran cultural activist. Talking to our correspondent, KFS President Dhoniram Tiso narrated about the works Bura Singh had done in the field of Karbi cinema. Bura Singh had acted in Karbi movies like Boso Bipo and Kanghon Kiling Chongkret and several other TV serials.
Anali Bura Singh Taro laki ni rene soko pendaki kini ni tu sekolah long we muka high school long sikit lagi ane le class kini ni senior kat halang li ke actually ke cultural activist community ase nili term la cultural participation ke Karbi Youth Festival 1974 ni kan muka ren mong home club ke nili term Bura Singh Taro la so kini term continuous bom anta cara bom alam ni ke KCS Cultural Society along the Vice President of Mandi dan contribution epic. So kemudian ke top kelang kenceng main ke drama pen ini toko maka so drama alam ke drama pen nah muka ajon pen lote kelang ajon pen drama invest drama pen ini kalau pen biheku nilil jun ke nilil lama jun ke lama jun nilil claim change so before abut penta alang nilil masyarakat pun so
Bikram Teron's report from Denarong for Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe.